Guys, today we are going to discuss about community mental health services. Before going to the topic, we will see what is mental health. We know that mental health means it's a balance between you and your surrounding, or mental health means it's a harmony between you and your surroundings. So simply we can say mental health means the ability to maintain a balance between you and your surrounding, and this mental health will heavily influences our life, especially the quality of life. Of course, if you have mental health means you have a quality life. So we need to be taken care of our mental health, right? And we need to be taken care of our mental health and we need to be maintain it. There are different ways to maintain mental health, and one way that it can be maintained through protecting people and sense of community. So we are going to discuss about community mental health services and how community mental health services is providing to the people. Community means what? What is the meaning of community? Community means a group of people, they are staying together and their feelings of connected to each other, feeling of acceptance, feeling of support. So don't think that community means a group of people staying. Group of people with their feelings, with their emotions, with their acceptance, with their connection, support. So with all these things, a group of people are staying together. So in the community, how we can give community mental health services. So before going to the topic, we will see the main goal of community mental health services. The main goal of community mental health services is to provide outpatient psychiatric treatment. That's the point, you have to keep it in your mind. If you're thinking about inpatient psychiatric treatment, means only a limited number of people will come to an inpatient hospital. That means a hospital. But if you're looking into the community, means you get n number of patients. Most of the people are not seeking treatment. So if you're going to the community, means you will get lot of people and you can give treatment to to lot of people, and of course you can improve the quality of life, and it will reach in the people through community clinics or sometimes through health professionals, and they can go to the home of individual home too. So community mental health services we can give through two ways. First thing is through mental health clinics, and second thing is health professionals individual visit in the home. Next thing is community mental health services definition. Now we are going to see a definition for community mental health services. Community mental health services are generally available for people with different form of mental health problems. Sometimes it will be a life-threatening problem and sometimes it will be very less severe problem. So don't think that only for life-threatening condition we will go to a hospital or we'll seek treatment for mental health from the mental health services. Of course, we get treatment for both life-threatening problem and also for less severe health problems. And this community mental health care include acute care, home care, early psychosis intervention, and youth mental health care. Now we will see community mental health team. Who all will be there in the community mental health team? A community mental health team include mental health professionals, mental health nurse of course, case managers, psychiatrists, social workers, occupational therapists, psychologists, and drug and alcohol workers. So these are all the major members we can see in community mental health team. Then how or which way we are giving these mental health services to the people? Through supported housing, through shelter homes, through halfway houses, through psychiatric wards of general hospitals, local primary care medical services, daycare centers, community mental health centers, and through self-help groups. So through these ways we are giving mental health services. That means community mental health services to the people. Now we will see community mental health treatments, and which are all the treatments we are giving to the people in the community. We are giving various therapies like talk therapies, speech therapies, recreational therapies, play therapies, music therapies, or various therapies, prescribing medication with the help of a official recognized designated mental health professional, psychotherapies or talk therapies, occupational therapies with the help of occupational therapist, specialist support for psychosis, services for family and caregivers, and of course individual support to each patient. That's very important. Individual support to each patient we can able to give through community mental health services, and to take great control over their emotion and to set their own goals. So community mental health services will help the people to get a control over their emotion as well as to set their own goals too, solve their problems. So these are all the major treatments we are giving through community mental health services. Then community mental health in India. Now we are going to see what is the development of community mental health services and how it is implementing in India. According to community studies, or according to the researchers, 1/3 of the chronically mentally ill persons in the community remain untreated. That's the problem of our India. That's the present status of community mental health services implementation in India. So according to researchers or according to community studies, 1/3 of the chronic mentally ill in the community remain untreated, and these untreated people and their needed indicates that, or it stresses the need of community mental health movement or community mental health revolution in India. As a part of this, the Schizophrenia Research Foundation, that is SCARF, in India had started a community-based mental health program at Tirupur, Tamil Nadu in 1989, and that was working till 1999. And we need more community mental health services for encouraging the community members to early detection, prevention, treatment and referral services to improve the quality of each individual's life. So, in India, there is a severe scarcity of mental health services and of course severe scarcity for mental health professionals. So, we need more community health members or community mental health services for what means for early detection, for prevention, for treatment and for referral services to improve the quality of individual life. In India, community mental health services showing a pragmatic gaps, that means a practical gaps and slow implementation of plan. And in India, mental health services are providing through primary health center, district mental health program, state mental health program, the district mental health hospital, health and welfare center. And if these areas are working up to date, then we can eliminate mental health stigma or the discrimination and also to improve the mental health services, and we can improve the mental health service access to the needy people. So we can conclude that effective community mental health services or effective community mental health teams can promote the democratization of mental health care to achieve good mental health for all. And now we will see this 2020 update. So let us look into 2020 updates of community mental health services. 2018, the Lancet Commission report on mental health says that 80% of the people with any form of mental health issues and do not seek treatment in India. That's the saddest part. So 2018 Lancet Commission report only I'm saying, mental health says that 80% of the people with any form of mental health issues and do not seek any treatment in India. And one more report I'll tell you, and as per 2011 report, India has highest suicide rate amongst youth by the Lancet Journal and 9% chance of developing depression. And according to WHO, World Health Organization, the above mentioned thing is the leading cause of disability worldwide. And the saddest part is that India is home to the largest number of mental health patients in the world. That means around 50% of Indian adults are suffering one or another kind of mental health problem. So this indicated what? This indicates the need of an essential mental health intervention in India. But most of them are not getting enough treatment. In 2018, India spent only on 0.06% of its health budget on mental health care, and we have a shortage of mental health professionals also. And according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, India has just over 3,800 registered psychiatrists against 13,500 patients. So this is the calculation we can see. Around 3,800 registered psychiatrists against 13,500 patients. And actually, India requires 20-50 clinical psychologists. Presently, we have only 900. So, it's clearly showing that there's a scarcity of psychiatric health workers and, of course, psychiatric health professionals. And according to health researchers, 2017 Mental Health Care Act. So, we had a discussion regarding 2017 Mental Health Act and Mental Health Care Act in the last video. So, according to this 2017 Mental Health Care Act, put a little effort to overcome these health struggles, but still we need more hospitals, beds, inpatient facilities and trained personnel for the diagnosis, treatment and prevention of mental illness. And the High Court observed that there is a failure to establish a state authority, because the state authority and state, of course, simply we can say state review boards, state mental health review boards have lot of power under this act. And if we have enough state review board with state mental health review board, means we can sort out 99% of the mental health problem. And another thing which we need to concentrate is making availability of mental health services into the community. That's what we are discussing. Community mental health services importance and requires sensitization, collaboration, budget planning for mental health services. And government, of course, government needs to contribute in funding also. There is a need of district level mental health review authority. Already I have told you there is a need of district mental health review board or mental health authority review board and board to provide up-to-date mental health support to common people. So we can conclude that hopefully this 2020 union budgets will give an attention it deserves. This is all about community mental health services and 2020 updates about mental health services in India. Hope you understand.